guys, we're back and we're about to see global citizenship, okay? What is the human geography? Before we answer any questions, let's watch the video, okay?
Happy to learn.
So as you can see, human geography refers to people, the different kind of people that live everywhere in the Eastern Hemisphere, okay? So, now that you have watched the video, you can answer the following questions, and we're going to share the answers together. What is your favorite food? Your favorite food. What language do you speak? Your mother tongue, okay? What does your home look like? In 3 sentences, describe your home, okay? Now, read. Human geography is the study of how people live, okay? It looks at the way people interact with each other and the earth. It looks at people's culture. Culture describes the way a group of people lives. It can include their food, shelter, and clothing. It can also include their language, jobs, and religion. Okay, so we're speaking about people, how they live, what they eat, how they act, and how they interact with each other. Okay, and here you have several pictures. Okay, you have Maasai tribe in Kenya. Then you have a rice field in Thailand, gondola boats in Italy, a game in Switzerland, a market in India, and food in Greece. Okay, as you can see, they are showing you very different things. Okay, so now, what do you have to do? Talk with your team. Well, you don't have anything to talk with, but we can talk a little bit among ourselves. What does each picture tell you about the culture in that area of the Eastern Hemisphere? On a piece of chart paper, in your spare pages, write the number of the photo. List your team's thoughts about the area's culture. Share your team answers and response with the class. So, what I want you to do is write 1 sentence about each picture, okay? What does each picture tell you about the people in the photo? 1, if you want 2 sentences, okay? And that's it for page 109. And then we're going to go to page 110. which is vocabulary. Okay? So, fertile, land that can grow lots of crops. So, fertile means that it's good for planting. A lot of seeds are going to grow there because it's rich in nutrients for the plant. That's fertile. Paddy fields. Flooded fields where rice is grown. So, it's not earth, it's actually a land with lots of water, so it's a little bit muddy, and that's the only place in which you can grow rice. Mediterranean Sea, a large sea near Greece and Italy. Okay, so here is Greece, here is Italy, so the Mediterranean is here. Forage, to search for food. There. To search for food, it's called forage, okay? So if you're in a forest and you're looking for fruit to eat, you are foraging. Isolated, away from other people, buildings, etc. When you have nothing and no one around you, okay? Insulation, something used to keep the temperature of an object from getting too hot or too cold. It will keep the temperature in the exact same number, okay? So, it's important if you live in a really, really cold place or in a really, really hot one. Sleds, vehicles designed to be pulled by animals over snow and ice. So, in this case, by husky dogs, okay? It can also be pulled by reindeers and even horses. Sleds can be pulled by many different kinds of animals, okay? And huts, small buildings made with simple materials, grass, sticks, etc. So they are like tiny houses, okay? So that's all of the words, and now I want you to go to your spare pages. Write the word and then make a drawing, okay? So you will write the word and make a drawing. Remember, this is the vocabulary, the second vocabulary of global citizenship, okay? That's it for now, and have a great weekend.